So I'm gonna reverse back, just like backing in the driveway. I'm gonna turn hand over hand to the left. The rear will go in to the left. The front will swing out. I'm checking cones and I want to be very careful. And I hear a little bit of a tap. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and reposition. I will receive 1- for that, and that's fine. Now I'm gonna reverse in. I'm gonna look over my shoulder. I'm gonna back in and turn the wheel. And I'm gonna go in slowly. I'm looking, and I'm gonna go in as deep as possible to the barrier without the rear of the car. So you probably will be able to see the sticks to the left and right. I'm in, and then I put in park. So I received 1- because I had to pull out again. The last one is the parallel park. I'm gonna roll out. You should be able to see the sticks. I'm gonna cut my wheel to the right. And there'll be a line that you'll pull up to. And I want to get the rear of the car. So what I tell my clients is you want to be able to back up in the back part of the barrier zone. So I'm in reverse. I'm gonna look over my shoulder. And then now I'm gonna turn my wheel all the way to the right. I'm gonna go in as deep as possible.